So, hello everybody, this is Tammy, and today I am here to give you a 10-minute makeup look. I promise you, I am sticking to this 10 minutes. So, if you want to know my final look, how I achieved that look, please stay tuned and let's get into the video. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we are going to get started in this 10-minute video. So right now I am going to put on my foundation primer. I've already put my moisturizer on. I'm only going to use a small dime size amount and get this all over my skin. Okay, that's all you need to do. And let's work on these brows of mine. So what I'm going to do is just follow the line that I have here, where hair was once there. So I'm just gonna follow the line, not do anything dramatic here. Okay, let's go to the next one. As you guys can see, I already put my lashes on. So I want to make sure I show you that you can apply your makeup in 10 minutes. Like maybe you run into the grocery store or something, or maybe you get up early, way early in the morning before, you get kids together, having a cup of coffee. Maybe you are, reading some scriptures or something just to get your day started. Okay, so we're just gonna do that. And I'm going to take my Mary Kay volumizing brow tint in a deep brunette and give it a little bit more tint darkening in this area here. All right, not a whole lot right here. Okay, guys, so then I am going to take my concealer, and this concealer is Perfecting Concealer by Mary Kay, and I'm using the Deep Beige. And I'm just gonna put a little bit right there and a little bit here, a little bit on my brow area right here. And I'm going to take my concealer brush by Mary Kay, and I'm just gonna clean up under here and brush that concealer down into my lid a little bit. Even though on this look, you guys, I will not be putting on any eyeshadow. This is just going to be a dash, a quick 10-minute look. I'm going to the grocery store, or you know what, I'm running out the house, I got to get to work, I don't have time to be putting on a whole lot of makeup. So I'm just doing the basic to show you that it can definitely be done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sponge, and I am going to take that sponge of that concealer and push it all the way over here to the end of my eye area. Go to the other side. I'm going to take that concealer and push it under the eye area here. All right. And then the next thing that I am going to do, I am going to take my translucent powder. I'm dipping my translucent powder here, and I am going to set that. I want to set the concealer that I put here. The translucent powder helps with setting the concealer so it doesn't crease. So after I've done that, I'm just going to take my powder brush and kind of brush it a little bit here. Now, I am going to use my Mary Kay CC cream. This one is medium to deep for my complexion. Let's put a small amount. So I'm going to dab one here, dab it there, dab it here, here. And I'm just going to rub it in my skin, forehead, everywhere. And the color corrector has SPF 15, so you are definitely being protected by the sun, okay, which is really good. Remember on the primer, it also has SPF. So right now I'm at 30%, and then my moisturizer has sun protection on there as well. So I'm really protecting my skin along with, you know, having a nice basic foundation look that gives me a really fresh, like flawless look. And I'm going to tell you guys what goes with this. You want to make sure you have a great skincare routine. You know what I mean? You want a good skincare routine. So I am going to take a bronzer. This bronzer, I've had it. This is a Mary Kay bronzer that I am using with one of their cases. And I'm just going to take this, the light bronzer, this one, and I'm just going to put it right here in my cheek area, right here. I just want it there. Right, just give me a little tint here and little tint up here. That's it. That's all I want. All right. I'm not gonna put on any blush or anything like that. No blush at all. Okay. Let's get to these lips. I'm going to put my lip liner on, and I think I did too much right there. Okay. I'm using my lip gloss, Fancy Nancy, Mary Kay. There's a airplane, helicopter going by, so please excuse that. Have my lipstick on. One thing I forgot, my mascara. You want to put some mascara on under the eye. And if you notice, I did not put any eyeliner under my eye. I am really like making sure I'm out of here in 10 minutes. Really, I'm out in 10 minutes. But I also want my eyes to really look pretty when I go out, okay? And I'm using our Mary Kay Fanorama Mascara. Now, that looks really neat up under there. I really like this mascara because it really shows my lashes, the little bit that I have. Now the last thing, the very last thing that I have to do is put on my silking powder to give me a nice fresh look. So I'm gonna take that, my powder brush, dip that in there and brush all over. Fresh look. And lastly, very last thing, I want to kind of give myself a little highlight on my little, right, Ooh, I spilled, don't want to spill this all over me. I have this pretty highlight. So I'm going to take this highlighter, and it's by Mary Kay as well. And I want to put it right there so that when I smile, you could see that little highlight there. Right? And I'm going to put it right there on my nose and in my temple here. That's all I'm going to do. And in the comment section, tell me in the comment section if this actually helped you out. And this is a basic, quick 10-minute look, flawless skincare look. Okay? Thank you for watching.